Hey everyone, welcome back to Growing with Peachy. Today, we're mixing the perfect soil for our grow, choosing seeds, and getting them germinating. First, let's mix the soil. I'm using a 50-50 soil mix, which is 50% organic mix and 50% normal garden soil. This combination provides the right balance of nutrients and structure for healthy plant growth. The organic mix helps with water retention and nutrients, while the regular soil gives the roots something sturdy to grow into. I like to mix everything thoroughly to ensure the soil is well balanced and consistent. The key here is to keep it loose and airy so that the roots can easily penetrate and breathe. I'm using auto-flowering seeds from Royal Queen Seeds, specifically F1 Milky Way and F1 Orion. These seeds are known for their stable genetics and quick growth. To germinate the seeds, I'm starting by soaking them in a glass of water for 12 hours. This helps soften the seed shells and encourages them to start the germination process. After the 12 hours, if the seeds sink to the bottom, it's a sign they're ready for planting. Once the seeds have soaked and sunk in the water, it's time to plant them. I'm using my 50-50 soil mix for this step. Make a small hole in the soil, about a 1/4 inch deep, and gently place the seed inside with the pointy end down. After planting, water the soil lightly to make sure the seed has enough moisture to start growing. Then I cover each pot with a clear cup to create a mini humidity dome. This helps keep the moisture in and gives the seed the best conditions for sprouting. I place the pots under my full spectrum LED lights, about 24 inches away, to give them a steady light source. Make sure to keep the soil moist but avoid overwatering. I like to mist the soil gently to ensure it stays damp without flooding the seed. That's it for today. We've mixed our soil, chosen our seeds, and started the germination process. In the next episode, we'll check on the seedlings and help them grow. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Growing with Peachy.